Media across the world is awash with news of a deadly disease called Zika fever, which is caused by Zika virus, but Uganda is still safe from this virus ravage. Rukia Nakamatte, the public relations officer from the Ministry of Health, explains, though Uganda has the mosquito species capable of transmitting Zika virus, the mosquitoes are arboreal or forest mosquitoes and bite at night or at dusk and dawn mostly in the canopy.
The one that was recorded in our country is a species that affects people who live or who stay in the forests. And it usually bites during the night. Our people in Uganda nowadays do not live in the forest, do not sleep in the forest. By the time these viruses start biting, people have already moved out of the forest. So there is no likelihood that this virus could be in the country.
The virus was first isolated in April 1947 from a rhesus monkey. The monkey had been placed in a cage on a platform in the Zika Forest of Uganda near Entebbe by the scientists of the Yellow Fever Research Institute, now the Uganda Virus Research Institute.
Ugandans are safe and there is no threat of us having this virus. The issue is because this was first recorded in our country, that is why people are so scared that we could be also having this. The fear is the virus now currently circulating in South America is completely different from the one that was recorded in Uganda. It's a different species altogether.
Human infections were later reported from African countries such as the Central African Republic, Egypt, Gabon, Sierra Leone, Tanzania and Uganda, as well as in parts of Asia, including India, Indonesia, Malaysia, the Philippines, Thailand and Vietnam. The vertebrate hosts of the virus are primarily monkeys and humans.
We have our Uganda Virus Research Institute that is doing a lot of researches, and it has indicated to us that we are free of this virus, and that is why I want to appeal to the general population to remain calm, because our country is safe. There are safeguards that we have put in place to ensure that in case there are risks of such nature, all those are mitigated before they spread.
Until more recently, Zika fever has been a relatively mild disease of limited scope, with only 1 of the 5 persons developing symptoms with no fatalities. Confirmed cases of Zika virus infection have been rare in Africa and in Asia. Mosquitoes become infected when they feed on a monkey or a person already infected with the virus. Infected mosquitoes can then spread the virus to other people through bites. Zika virus usually remains in the blood of an infected person for a few days, but it can stay longer in some people. Fatuma Nalwanga for Urban TV.